Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to check the latest stock prices. This is a super easy way to get real-time financial information without having to navigate through multiple financial websites. Let's get started. So here we are on ChatGPT. Let's say you're interested in investing in NVIDIA, or you just want to keep an eye on their stock price. I'll show you how to do that right here. I'll type, "What is the latest stock price of NVIDIA?" and press enter. And there you have it. ChatGPT provides us with the latest stock price for NVIDIA. It also includes some extra details like the daily change, the opening price, and more. All the information you might need for a quick market check. And that's it. Using ChatGPT to get real-time stock information is super simple and helps you stay updated easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more handy tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.